Are you looking for a monthly sketching challenge or to up your urban sketching game? Well, that's why I started Sketch with Liz, and we are 1 year old. I love to sketch when I travel or join with my local urban sketching group or just when I've got time. I really enjoy sketching from life because it makes me stop and look and see what's going on. And it's not always landscapes or animals, sometimes it's objects, a vintage car here or a beaten up old tractor there. As I sketch, I record it all in real time and try not to edit things out. So when I'm sketching on location, people talk to me. I'm afraid you're going to get to hear that. Sometimes I make mistakes. Sometimes the sketch isn't that great, but that's reality. So I'd love you to come and join me. My suggestion is if you do the sketch and then you share it online, you use the hashtag sketch with Liz, and then we can all search for each other's sketches and see how we've interpreted the subject because we all do it so differently. What I want is for this to be like being part of a virtual worldwide sketching club. Lots of fun, no pressure. We learn a lot, we visit nice places. So, to celebrate our first birthday, I thought I would share some of the sketches that people have done. I trawled through Instagram and grabbed different screenshots, and just look here, you could see so many different approaches. So, this was the Maharaja's Well, which is quite near where I live. Amazing structure. And this one is down by the River Thames, down near Hurley Lock. Boat parked in front of me while I was halfway through it. This was the very first one I did, this wonderful tool shop that's in a village near here that I've driven past so often and just decided to stop and sketch it. This is at the Roman ruins at Silchester. There's absolutely no obligation to use my style or the pens that I happen to be using. What I love is everyone does it in their own way, and we see such a variety of work. So sometimes I will do a monochrome, sometimes I use fountain pen, sometimes I use just pens, watercolour, mixed media, and really, as I say, try and share tips and tricks to give you lots of experience so that you will get outside and sketch the world around you. There's no time limit, but I do release a new video on the first Sunday of every month. And I also give you the reference photo so that you can have a go yourself. I release them on YouTube, and the reference photo goes in the post section. So that's where you'll find them all, including all the back ones over the last year. So if you are trying to improve your sketching or get some experience before you venture out on your own or just want some new ideas, please join me for Sketch with Liz. And it's just such a lot of fun. if you've ever got a suggestion of a particular topic, a type of scene or object that you'd like me to sketch, do let me know, and I hope to see you at Sketch with Liz.